নমস্কার কনগ্রুয়েন্স মানে কি ফার্স্ট পয়েন্ট আমার চ্যাপ্টার 7 ক্লাস 7 চ্যাপ্টার 7 to be is like congruence of triangles, right? So basically what is congruence? You have to know about the term congruence, okay? So see, first point, congruence of line. Suppose let us take two lines A, B, which is of length 5 centimeter, and C, D, which is of length also 5 centimeter. Then we can tell what? We can if two lines are same length, two lines are of same length, then we can say AB equal to CD, right? And also we can say that AB and CD, AB and CD are congruent. Clear? This is the congruence of line segments. Okay? Number 2, line segments or line, you can say what? Clear? Means two equal line segments can be what? Can be what? Congruent. Number 2, congruence of angles. Suppose let us draw two angles. Okay? লিখিব নালাগে কোনো চাই নাকি বুঝি লোৱা let us draw two angles. Okay? First angle is this. This is a 40 degree. Okay? 40 degree angle this is. Let us give it a name A O B. So you can write angle AOB is equal to 40 degree, right? Right?
Yes.
Next, we again draw a same angle 40 degree, which is COD. COD. And COD equal to also 40 degree. Then you can say angle AOB equal to angle COD. That means we can say angle AOB and angle COD are what?
Congruent.
Congruent angle. Okay? Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Concept of congruency. Okay? Clear? Now, if we say triangle in the third number, we get a triangle. Okay? Let's go ahead. Coming to triangles, congruency of triangles, right? See, let us draw two triangles A, B, and C. Okay? And another triangle is P, Q, R. Okay? P, Q, R. A, B, C, and P, Q, R. So if we see two triangles, if angle A, okay, see, we have two triangles A, B, C, and P, Q, R, two triangles, right? So here you can see A is the A angle, A angle to the extent.
Yes.
You can see A angle.
Yes, sir.
Where A angle is present, in the same location in PQR triangle, B angle is present. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Where B angle is present, in that location Q angle is present, and C and R are same present at same location, right? So we can see if A angle equal to angle P, if angle B equal to angle
Q.
and if angle C equal to angle,
R.
okay, and if angle AB equal to angle
PQ.
same line, right?
Yes.
If angle AC
PR.
PR and if angle BC equal to QR, means if all the sides, these sides are equal, when it will be equal? When it will be equal? If this triangle is congruent to this triangle. We can write it if triangle ABC is congruent. Congruent, symbol of congruency is equal sign. In the upper part of equal sign, we will give it like that. Understood? This is a congruent symbol. What?
Congruent symbol.
ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. And if this happens, if these are two congruent triangles, then same angles are, or same lines are also equal. So this property, when two triangles are congruent, they are corresponding. These are corresponding angles. Angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. These are what angles?
Corresponding angles.
Means we can write if two triangles are congruent, then they are corresponding parts. Corresponding parts means what? What is the corresponding parts of AB? Can you tell? What is the corresponding parts of AB? PQ. What is the corresponding parts of AC?
PR.
PR. What is the corresponding parts of BC?
QR.
What is the corresponding angle of angle B?
Q.
Q. Understood? These are the corresponding parts. Okay, clear? Means we can see. We can give a statement. If two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are
Equal.
clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the congruence concept of congruence of triangles. But we can write, if we are to write down the corresponding parts of these two triangles. How we can write? We can write like that. Angle A. This angle B. We can write it like that. মানে যদি আমাক কোৱা নাই যে ইকুৱেল হয় নে নহয়, but we have to choose the corresponding parts only, then we will write like that. A is both side arrow mark, okay? P, BC, QR like that, okay? I am giving some examples only, okay? And AC, PR, okay? So corresponding parts are written in that manner. Clear? Now see. We have known that what is the concept of congruence? Congruence of line segment, congruence of angles, and congruence of triangles. Clear? Now we have to know that this is the last point. We have to know that what are the conditions? What are the conditions for two triangles to be congruent? মানে দুটা ট্রায়াঙ্গল কনগ্ৰুৱেণ্ট হ'ব কাৰণে আমাক কি লাগিব? আমি এইটো বস্তু উলিয়াব লাগিব। কেনেকৈ উলিয়াব? সি These are the conditions. Conditions of congruence. Conditions of congruence of two triangles, right? Right? So what are the conditions? If you know, it's finished. Okay? The concept is almost finished. Number one, S criteria. SSS means side. How? If this statement stays there, if in two triangles, if AB corresponding sides are equal, AB equal to PQ, AC equal to PR, and BC equal to QR. মানে corresponding part বিলাক side বিলাক যদি only same হয়, side তিনটা side এর corresponding part হলো equal হয়, then we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle key
PQR.
Then you can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle
PQR.
This is the first criteria. Understood?
Yes, sir.
যদি ইটো lot equal, ইটো lot equal, তেতিয়া আমি কি হ'ব? কি হ'ব? Congruent triangles হ'ব। আৰু congruent triangles হোৱাৰ পিছত সব part equal হৈ যায়, corresponding। মানে angle বিলাক equal হৈ যায়। Congruent হোৱাৰ পিছত সব equal হৈ যায়, okay? Clear?
Yes.
Number 2. Next. Criteria number 2. SAS. Now see, according to this criteria, যদি দুটা side, if two corresponding sides are equal, suppose AB equal to
PQ.
AC equal to
PR.
if AB equal to PQ and AC equal to
PR.
PR. তোমালোকে যদি ইটো খোলে যে ক্রাইটেরিয়া তো হয় কি, you have to write if two sides are equal and their an angle between them are also equal, then they are congruent. এনেকে লিখিব লাইনত মই জাস্ট এক্সাম্পল দি বুজাই দিছো হা। সো দুটা সাইড ইকুয়াল হয়, ওকে ওকে, আর তার মাজর অ্যাঙ্গেল কি? what is the angle between AB and AC? A. What is the angle between PQ and PR? And A equal to P. Then what happens? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle
PQR.
বুঝি পালা?
Hello.
Side equal, angle equal, and side equal. Side angle side. Clear? Now coming to third number criteria. Number 3, A আছে, two are left. A আছে, it represents itself. A for angle, S for
Side.
A for
Angle.
মানে angle side আর angle মানে A angle তো যদি A angle তো equal, if A angle A equal to angle P, side AC equal to side
PR.
and angle C equal to angle, then it is triangles are
Congruent.
if angle A equal to angle P, AC equal to PR, and angle C equal to angle R, then what happens? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle
PQR.
So this is the main criteria, three criteria by which you can know that two triangles should be congruent, two triangles are congruent or not. Okay? With the help of this. But after this, if it is proved to be congruent, then we can make every corresponding parts will be equal. मतलब A equal to P होगा, C equal to R होगा, after congruency B equal to Q होगा. Every parts are equal, but corresponding parts. A লগত R ना है, A লগত हमें P है, और corresponding होगा लगी. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Last one is there, but it is another type of criteria. It is for only right angle triangle. It is called RHS. RHS. মানে যদি রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল হয়, হ্যাঁ, যদি রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল হয়, রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল হলে সাপোজ ধৰি লও ইয়াতে এটা আমাৰ রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল লাগিছে RHS. ওকে ক্লিয়ার? RHS কি হবে? দুটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল আঁকো মই এনেকে, এটা 90 ডিগ্ৰী হ'ব, এ এইটো বেলেগ ধৰণৰ D E F আৰু G H I, এইটো 90 ডিগ্ৰী হয়। রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল মানে কি? যদি রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেলটা ইকুয়াল হবে অবভিয়াসলি 90 90। ওকে, এইটো ইয়াতে লিখিছো হা, রাইট RHS ক্রাইটেরিয়া তো ইয়াতে লিখি দিছো মই। These are two right angle triangles where one angle is 90 degree. So here, if angle E is equal to angle what?
H.
Equal to 90 degree. We know because it is right angle. R is done. H for hypotenuse. If D is equal to this, matlab DF equal to DI. Hypotenuse. Okay? And last side means only one side. This side may be equal to this side or this side may be equal to this side. যিকোনো এটা সাইড যদি ইকুয়াল হয় এটা আমি কব লাগিব ইন্টার ট্রায়াঙ্গেল কনগ্রুয়েন্ট। সাপোজ DE equal to GH or কি EF equal to H or দিছো দেই, or যিকোনো এটা সাইড ইকুয়াল হলে আমি কি কব পাৰিম? এই দুটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল কি হ'ব? Triangle DEF congruent to triangle GHI. It is called RHS criteria. Clear?
Yes.
So this is the all overviews of congruent triangle. Continue. Now one question is there. Two line segments are congruent if what? Fill up the blanks. If they are what? Two line segments are congruent if they have same length.
Same length.
Right? Among two congruent angles, one has a measure of 70 degree, another has a measure of
70 degree.
70 degree. When we A equal to B, when we write A equal to B, when we write A equal to B, এটা কি হবে? When A equal to B হয়, then A and B are
Congruent.
congruent angles. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.